Make nego gaji ejeno, ogwego gaji lianari. Ive chukugulu nonya emeli.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Jessica cooking series. Yes guys, welcome to today's video. So right now I am just watching a friend of mine, her YouTube video. I always watch YouTube videos before I get started with my cooking. So I'll just listen and I'll be cooking my food. Yeah, it gets me motivated. So right now I'm just replying the video she uploaded. Yeah. So very soon you'll see me taking my juice. I made this juice. It's homemade fresh juice, like it gives me energy. Yeah, so today's video, from the title, we are cooking Ohasoup. So here are our ingredients. We have pepper, we have big crayfish, we have stockfish, we call it isiokporoko. We have oha leaf. This oha leaf went bad. I told my sister to get me a new one, which you will see in a bit. This is the big crayfish. This is uziza leaf. So we are cooking, as I said, Ohasoup. Ohasoup is from the east. If you are an Igbo person, you know where Ohasoup is originated from. And even if you're not an Igbo person, I know you have tasted Ohasoup. Let me know in the comment section. So this is big fish. What was your experience when you ate Ohasoup? And this is our A-day. You know, you can also cook Oha with A-day or with achi. This is my A-day. I am going to wash it and remove the sand, the dirt before I start cooking it. Yes guys, so as I was saying, if you're Igbo, you know where Ohasoup is originated from. This is an amazing meal where you enjoy it with your family, with your friends, and they will lick their whole fingers. Alright guys, so this is something new I decided to put on my channel. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. So here is our meat. We have beef. This is the beef, and I'm going to be using goat meat and swell, and I'm going to be adding pomo inside. Yes, this also gives a different flavor to the food. Yeah guys, so now I'm just cleaning up the kitchen before I start cooking this food. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and also turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know guys, what do you guys think of this our new series? This series will be coming up once in a month in my channel. Yeah, once or twice in a month in my channel. I just decided to put something a little bit spicy to bring us some little flavor, and this is one thing I love doing. I love to cook, so I decided to incorporate it in my YouTube channel, so it's not be only beauty but also food. Yes, beauty and food. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading people's comments to know what you guys think. So now our A-day is boiling. Here I'm going to clean the pomo, like remove the back side of it, peel it out, remove the dirt and wash it, and I'm going to slice them into small bits and small pieces. Yes, so that when you are eating the food with maybe garis, fufu, semo, you'll be also be taking all these small chunky things inside the soup. Akage. Use your hand. Don't use fork and knife. For this is a food you need to use your hand to eat. Yeah guys, so I'm just cleaning it. Then now I'm done washing it. I'm going to cut it. That's what I'm doing. I'm cutting it in smaller pieces. I'm done with that. I'm washing our dry fish. This is a black fish. You can buy this in the market. All these Malam people sell it. Yeah, sorry guys. So I'm removing everything I need from the fish. Some people put the head, but me, I don't put the head in my food. I just put only the body where there's ano inside. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I'm going to transfer those inside the pot. Yes, inside my pot. Then I'm adding our spices. I added Benny, I added crayfish spices, I added salt. Then this is what it looks like. I added Maggi and water. So this is what we're going to use to cook the soup. Yeah, you don't need to add onions inside oha, just this. And this is how we're going to cook the soup. Yes, so these 2 pots, I use these 2 different soup meat to cook different soup. So right now I am pounding my pepper. Guys, have you seen the video where I went shopping? Please go check it out. And have you seen the video where I cook okra and ogbono soup? Go check it out. So the ede is ready. I decided to pound it, like pound. You pound it to be smooth, don't allow any nkuru or seed to be inside. Then after you're done pounding it, you add your oil. Some people don't add oil, but me, I decided to add oil in mine. Yes, so I'm adding oil and I'm mixing everything together. Make sure there is no seed at all. Okay, yeah guys, so right now my sister is here with the fresh oha leaf, and this is ogiri. If you know what is ogiri, let me know in the comment section. So now we've added our oil and we added the pounded ede, and we are mixing everything together to dilute inside the meat water. Remember I said we use the meat water to cook the soup. Yes, so now we added crayfish and pepper and we mix everything together. You can see how juicy and creamy the soup looks like. So now she's adding the ogiri. We added 2 ogiri inside the soup. Yes, this soup was so amazing. Don't mind the smell of the ogiri, but the soup is so amazing. So we added uziza leaf inside the oha, and now we are adding the oha leaf inside. This is this ofeka toro very well. This is homemade oha soup. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you guys think of this our cooking series. We are eating this with eba, that is gari, and this is the gari made homemade gari. So this is how our soup looks like. Looks so delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye guys, I love you all. Goodbye. Bye.